Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill I could pop for this love pain? Anybody got a...
Hello everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be planning in my mini happy planner, and I will be planning for the week of March 14th through the 20th. So I'll go ahead and take those off the disc. And this week I have pulled the new Happy Planner spring release sticker book. This is a value pack sticker book, bold and bright. So I'm going to see what I can do here. So I'm going to go ahead and speed the video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, guys, that's it. I'm going to stop right there and put these back on the disc. So let's see what this looks like. All right, so let's go with right here. Yep, I think that's cute. That's a cute little sticker book. So, yeah, I think I'm going to leave it just like this. And I think this is Rainy Days 2.0. The Rainy Days 2.0 Villa Beautiful pen. So, I think I'm going to leave that right here for the week and use that one just to go along with that color scheme. So, yeah, that's it. All right, so if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.